So here's a basic layout for the fish DAO game on Unity. On the top left-hand corner is the block number, so this will change in real time. The balance of my current account is 500030. We'll claim to bump this number up in a bit. Refresh on the top right, and we have different panels. So this first panel is the proposed panel. We have one to vote, execute, claim, etc. So let's create a proposal. Let's make this one a value of 9. So this means anyone who votes on this proposal to claim 9, and if it passes, will be able to claim 9 fish. So let's create a proposal. Propose. Data is to the fish token. Value is in the native token ETH. It's 0. Here is the set proposal function, and the value is 9. So this looks good. Confirm. I'm going to copy the transaction hash. Go to the block explorer. And we're going to give this a minute. Now that it's confirmed, I can go back to the game, click next. And it's pulling down all of the active proposals you can vote on. So there's currently 1 right now. Claim 4. We just made one to claim 9, so let's hit refresh. Great. So now we can claim the 9 fish. So this is the proposal that we just made. There is a voting ends, which has a deadline of when people can vote, or when the last time you can vote. So let's make the vote right now. So I agree. Cast vote. Proposal ID is the proposal of that specific one that we just made. And support 1 means agree, 0 means disagree. So this looks good. I hit confirm. Copy. Check the block explorer again. So it went through. That's great. So now we're going to have to wait until the current block number, 799, exceeds 813. Basically wait until the voting's done. Once that's done, we can go to the next panel to see if it passes or not. So come back to you in a bit. Now that the voting's done, block number here, 815 is greater than 813. I can refresh, and there should not be any more proposals to vote on. Great. Instead, if I go next, the execute panel, which is this, should be populated. So if I hit refresh, the 9 should be able to execute. Cool. So we got a bunch. We got 894. 9 was the one that we just voted on. So let's execute this one. Let's hit submit. By executing, you allow other voters to claim afterwards. So let's double check the data. This address is to the fish token. That's good. Value is 0 in ETH. That's good. The value in 9. That's great. And the description hash. So hit confirm. Copy. Now that it's executed, all of these proposals cannot be submitted until the one that we have now, the 9, is expired. So if I go next, I can now claim my 9 fish. Claim. There is no info to pass in. You can just claim, confirm. I'm going to copy this, and only voters can claim. So copy the transaction hash, paste it in. Keep in mind my balance 30 here will change to 39. So we'll give it a few seconds. You can see the balance here has changed to 39. I can also wait on Etherscan, and you can see that there has been some funds transferred to my account, and the value here is 9 fish. That's how you do it. This is a rough draft. The next step is to clean this up, make it look nice, and make it more user-friendly. Thanks.